Yo YouTube, welcome back to another YouTube video. We are going to try to install subframe connectors. We're gonna head over to Jordan's. Midwest Fabrication and Performance. So let's get the car started and head over there. Tell you guys that I hooked up the tack, so the factory tack's working. So yeah. Just got here with my boy. Hey, who need a truck? Well, you got a Fox, boy. Check this shit out. Ooh. Yo, man, who need a truck when you got a Fox? Talk to me. Look at this shit. Hey, look at this shit. Yeah. Hey, who need a truck when you got a Fox? Look at that. That's long too. Hey yo, I don't know if that's YouTube approved. Hell yeah.
Put the dolphin thing off.
What? The dolphin?
Yeah, I know. Or whatever the hell it does. Every time I go to cuss, they fucking.
Oh, I know what you're talking about now. Alright guys, we have the subframe connector getting tacked in right now. We might run into a slight issue on the right side considering fuel lines. So if anything major, up to you right now. He's tacking them in, and after that then we just gotta work on the other side. So just keep updating you as we go.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient.
Guys, right now, finishing up the passenger side. We had to move some fuel lines. I don't know if you can hear me, but we had to move these fuel lines over. So there's enough to get welded right here. So this side's in. Looks great. Looking good so far. He's underneath the car. The only flaw I've ever seen is right here. Surface rust. But other than that, pretty clean underneath here. I need to upgrade the suspension. So yeah.
Watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
He's live on TikTok. You can follow Midwest Fabrication and Performance. He don't like your performance. This one's blue. This one, yeah, it's not blue too, yeah.
It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade.
Just got done. We got a fuel line on the passenger side, kind of getting in our way. When we do motor swap, then obviously I'll probably run new AN fuel lines. So I'm not even worried about that. We can weld it later. A big shout out to Jordan. Hit him up. For this, we went TikTok live on his stuff, and I think I've seen like 100 people at one point.
Yeah, a little over.
It was,
I think got like 2.5 thousand likes or something like that.
I mean, I don't go anywhere else. I literally just go to him.
Yeah.
So
My personal page on TikTok is jhook1998, and then my business page is Midwest Fab Performance on TikTok, and then Instagram is I think MFP Jordan or Jordan MFP. Then my business page is Midwest Fab Performance.
we'll literally post every page and picture in this video. So if you guys don't know, I'll post it so you can go find it anyways. If you do see this and you're from the YouTube video, go out on his TikTok or somewhere and say you're from this channel and just put MFER. Nah, for real. Hit him up on his pages and stuff. And I mean, I don't go to anybody else. He's probably going to be doing the roll cage when I get a roll cage. And
We got that tube bender and everything now too.
oh, see, he got a tube bender, so he might be doing a custom roll cage. I might be.
Yeah.
Woo.
I just got a bin software too, so I'm able to 3D model everything.
He got a fucking laser table. If y'all need custom work, he does battery covers for really any truck. Battery covers, reservoir cover. I mean, he does it all.
Gonna hopefully in a year or two be able to do lift kits and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, traction bars. He does traction bars.
Actually, got a set cut out over there laying on the floor. We got it welded together.
Where's they at?
Right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
There they are right here. They fresh cut out, so not welded together. If you go on his pages though, you can see what the finished product looks like, and I mean, the proof is in the pudding. I mean, it's quality work. It's great. I mean, like I said, I'm not gonna go to anybody else for my stuff. I'm gonna support my best friend. So go hit him up on TikTok. I know we didn't do much filming because it's literally welding. It's not much. I mean,
Welding and grinding.
Yeah, welding and grinding. There's literally not much you can film really, but I mean, should still be a decent video, and go check him out because he's one hell of a guy. So, but yeah, I'll update you here soon. I did get some rubberized undercoating. Some rubberized undercoating. So the car's been sitting for like a week. Week and a half. So we gotta get underneath there, clean off the surface rust because obviously it attracts moisture. Clean off the surface rust. Then I'll spray over the welds. So what I'm gonna use is some brake clean, and then I got Scotch-Brite and a microfiber. We're going to spray it, scuff it up, wipe it off, or scuff it, spray it, wipe it off, however you want to do it, as long as it cleans off the surface rust. And then you're going to go over and spray over the welds and stuff, so we can prevent rust from happening. So yeah. So just spray. Let me see if I can just wipe it off with a microfiber. Maybe you don't need a Scotch-Brite. Now I don't know what you got, but I really didn't have to use Scotch-Brite. You hit it with brake cleaner, and I wiped off with microfiber, and that just came right off. And then let it dry for a couple seconds. Wait for the brake cleaner to dry. Then I shook up the can and just sprayed on there. I will have to jack up the car to get on the inside, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Just put some on there, prevent it from, you know, rusting and all that stuff. So all you really need is brake cleaner, microfiber, spray it, clean it off. I got the Scotch-Brite just in case, but be alright. So appreciate y'all for watching. Go follow my boy.
Step 2. Some good, some food in you. Step 3.
We got some shit coming.
What you want to be.
Step 4. So
everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the after